When winter brings dry air into your home, comfort and health can take a hit. At Estes Services, we're here to keep your indoor air balanced all season long. Dry indoor air can lead to itchy skin, static shocks, sore throats, nose irritation, cracked hardwood floors, and air that just feels uncomfortable even when the heat is on. Our team performed a full indoor air moisture assessment and recommended a whole home humidifier connected directly to the HVAC system for balanced humidity throughout the house. We installed the humidifier and integrated it with the home's HVAC system for automatic humidity control. No portable units, no tanks to constantly refill. We set ideal humidity levels to enhance comfort, protect your home's interiors, and help your heating system work more efficiently. We tested airflow, checked drainage, verified humidity distribution across the home, and left the workspace clean and ready to enjoy. If your home feels dry this winter, a whole home humidifier can make a big difference. Call Estes Services today. Breathe better, sleep better, and feel the comfort. It's that easy. It's Estes.